Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy Cog Inu on MetaMask. So, Cog Inu is an ERC20 token you can buy directly through MetaMask by connecting to decentralized exchanges. So, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you're on the right MetaMask website and you already have your MetaMask extension installed. And once that's all set up, what you will just have to do is you will go to the wallet section, which is right here, and then you will select swap button. And once you're here, and by the way, you should make sure that you've already set up all this stuff so that you won't be missing out anything. And once you're here, you will just have to select ETH for the first token, and for the next token is of you'll just have to or by the way, you could also choose any token that you would want to trade for your Cog Inu, and then in the to field with it, which is right here, what you will have to do is you will search for Cog Inu. So you should make sure that it is available. It's available for you, and if you see Cog Inu, what you will just have to do is you will just have to select it like this, and yeah, and you will just have to enter the amount that you want to swap for both of these, of course. And yeah, I mean, so yeah, it should be like that. And then you will just have to review the gas fees, the rate, the network fees, slippage, minimum receive, price impact, and all that stuffs. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if you do have sufficient funds, then you should see the swap button here or something similar, and then you will just have to confirm in MetaMask. And after a few seconds, your Cog Inu tokens will appear in your MetaMask wallet. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.